Alright, alright, alright. How is everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. We on the street tonight, baby. So, a little bit of backstory before we jumped in. I'm so ready though. Now, I don't know how many return viewers watch my videos. I don't know how many new people watch my videos. But for those of you who don't know, this is the Bluedio Hurricane Turbine 4. Now, for those of you who don't know, I've reviewed every generation of these headphones, starting with the Turbine T1s, T2s, T3s, and now we're on the 4th generation. And to be honest with you guys, it's probably one of my favorite sets of headphones. Okay? The T1 was awesome. Some of the best bass ever. Incredible battery life. Really solid mics. The T2 brought in a new foldable design, which I didn't like too much, but maintained the same sound quality and the same battery life. The T3, again, more design improvements, and now it's time for the T4. Now, the T4 comes in two different models. You got the T4, and then you got the T4S. This one in particular is the T4S, I believe, and I am so pumped to get into this box. I've been waiting. So, without further ado, let's unbox it and get to some first impressions. Alright. So, real quick, now I already slid up the sleeve because this is incredibly hard to get off. So I partially slid the sleeve up off camera because I know y'all didn't want to see those all-camera struggles. But pretty much, it's a two-box system here. So you got the sleeve on top with a picture of the headphones, company branding. So you can see Bluedio, powerful sound, T4, 4th generation. Yes. Then along the side here, got some stuff here. So you can see the design, so they lay flat. I'm pretty sure this is another foldable design. Looks like they come with a carrying pouch, user manual, 3.5mm headphone aux cable to Type-C audio cable. So we got Type-C on this one, y'all. We got Type-C on this one, y'all. And again, the USB Type-C charging cable. Yes, so we got it looks like we got a Type-C aux jack, and we got a Type-C charging cable. So, Bluedio ain't messing around on this one. Then it looks like we got Bluetooth 4.2 technology built in. We got 57mm drivers on this one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can barely wait already. I'm trying to crack into the box. So we got a built-in mic, which means we can make and receive phone calls. We got 16 hours of runtime on this guy. I think we may have noise canceling technology in here. Pure ANC, 16 hours of runtime. Output, looks like we got 25 watts, 25 MW plus 25 MW. Not sure what that means there. And we got some stuff in a different language that I cannot read. But man, I'm so ready to get in. And then we got a diagram of the headphones where everything is located. So we got the microphone jack, charging port, volume up and down buttons, LCD indicator light, multifunction button. Oh, let's get in. I'm tired of reading. Let's get in. So sliding this boy off here. Throwing that young one off to the side here. Now, how this young one open up here? So, Always having trouble. Okay. So it's a magnetic clasp. Alright, so it magnetically attaches on the side. Really nice box. Really nice presentation. More Bluedio branding on the top there. Bluedio.com down there. Really liking that. Gotta keep this box. Woo! Do you see them already? Hold on. Let me just. Oh, you can feel the static electricity coming off them. Oh, got chills. Hair standing up a little bit, y'all. Hair standing up a little bit. So, right here, got the headphones themselves. Oh, hold on. Just chill, baby. Just chill. Just chill. We're going to get to this in a minute. Then we got another box here. This one probably has all the accessories. Yep. Got our cables here. So this looks like our USB Type-C cable here to the aux cable. So we got USB Type-C on one end. We got the aux cable on the other end. And that's a gold plate. So you should get some really good sound out of this. Woo! Can't wait, man. Then we have a flat style USB Type-C charging cable to regular. Yeah, boy. And what else we got in here? Got that carrying bag in there, but I'm gonna leave that in there. Leave all this. I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. Get to this in a minute too. Put this all back in. Man, I'm so excited. Could barely get it back in there. Throw this off to the side real quick. Got the user manual on here. In here. Man, the excitement's killing me. Really thick user manual in multiple different languages. Y'all already know. I'm not even going to crack this on camera. I want to get to the headphones already. But you guys know in the full review, we're going to go over exactly what you need to know. Steps to pair. All that good stuff in here. Barcode scanner on the back. Bam. So, everything you need is in there. Let's throw it off this side. Woo-wee. Oh, look at them, look at them, look at them. Got some tape on the cups. Let me take this tape off. Say it with me. Okay, guys, I think it's safe to say that I like headphones. And I may have an addiction to these headphones. Oh my goodness! The plush cups! Is that steel? It feels like steel. It's cold to the touch. It's aluminum. Woo! We gotta get through the video. Okay, let me put this off to the side. I don't think there's anything else in there that we gotta look at. Bam! Look at these bad boys right here. Let me put them like this. Oh, that's so cool. So, here's the the headphones themselves. Let's do a real quick walk around. And I'm going to try them on. We're going to wrap this video up. So, across the top, you got the company branding. So, you got turbine across the top. Really plush. Really good material on the headband here. Got aluminum. And then we got the adjustable cups. Looks like we got the power button on this side with the USB Type-C charging port right there. Volume buttons right there. Volume up and down. And on this side, what do we have here? Don't think we got anything on this side. There it is, y'all. There it is. Oh, is that the power button there? So that might be, okay. So that might be the multi-function button there. That looks like the power button, volume up and down. Oh my goodness. I'm so ready. And really nice touch. got labels. So this is the right, and that's the left. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but let me spin this around. I mean, I'm holding it wrong. But, woo! I gotta tell y'all, man, this looks good. Really nice plush air cups. Alright, guy, alright. Give me a second, guy. I gotta try this on. Oh my goodness, this feels nice. Ooh, yes. It's like the Cree-Rs. I'm like totally immersed in here. But I could still hear what's going on around me with them off. Oh yes, I cannot wait to try these. Oh yes. They feel great. Got aluminum rails here. Oh, this looks awesome. It feels awesome. Yes, we gotta wrap this video up so I can start testing these. Woo-wee! I'm ready. Anyways, guys and gals, I'm so ready right now. Okay, I gotta contain myself a little bit. I gotta, okay, I gotta recompose. We gotta be somewhat professional. We gotta finish up. I'm so ready though. I'm so ready. Anyways, guys and gals, that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Bluedio Turbine T4S Bluetooth headphones. Alright, I should have a full review of these guys. Ooh, I wanna take my time. Should have a full review of these headphones up for you guys in about a week and a half to 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to go through everything. This is one of my favorite pairs of headphones. And as I said, I review every generation. I'm so ready. So ready. Anyways, we got to wrap it up. Otherwise, I never get to play with it. Now, anyways, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, I still got chills. I'm so ready to go play with this. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. And as always, the links to where to pick this guy up will be down below in the video description. So, if this video piques your interest and you want to pick these guys up, you can find them at really affordable prices down below in the video description. One-stop shop down there. And you know, I'm just throwing this in there. Bluedio has become, I want to say, synonymous for making some really, really good quality headphones at affordable prices. I'm just going to go ahead and spoil it for y'all right now, man. Whoo-wee. Whew. I picked these guys up right here for $50. Say it with me, man. I may have stuttered. That might be just as excitement in my voice. But I picked these guys up right here for $50. Yes. Aluminum build. Nice solid air cups. Nice solid band on the top. Premium. Yes. $50. Yes. Alright, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. And as always, guys and gals, if y'all know anyone out there looking for affordable premium affordable devices and products at some really great prices, can't even get the outro right, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Man, I'm on a roll tonight. Computer not gonna love me because I'm about to upload all of this. All of this getting uploaded. Take it. But yeah. Anywho, let me say that again because I'm completely off track. The excitement is palpable. Anyways, guys and gals, if y'all know anyone out there looking for some premium affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel because I'm doing this for everyone because we all deserve the best. Alright, y'all, I hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.